Hi everyone, and welcome back to Belinda's DIYs. In this video, I'm going to show you my 10 best Dollar Tree items for crafting. And these are everyday items that Dollar Tree carries. So if you're interested to know how a crafter's mind works, then please keep watching. Before we get started, I'm just going to ask that if you can please consider to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And also hit that bell icon right there in the corner so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and start this journey. And also let me know what is your favorite item. I'm starting off with item 10. One of the best items is glass vases because you can do so much to them. You can paint them and then distress them and give them that farmhouse or vintage look, and decorate them with whatever Dollar Tree is carrying that season, and then you have a beautiful seasonal vase or just an everyday vase. And here's just one way that I've used a vase to decorate. If you want to see this particular video, I'm going to go ahead and link the video down below in the description box. I'll also be linking all the videos of the DIYs shown here. The next item would be these clear candle holders. And what I love about these is that you can make tier trays. You can make 2 or 3 or as high as you want them to go, as long as you use some kind of a super glue to give them that strong hold. And the other thing is that you can change them around by painting them or even adding some glitter. It's really up to you. And this is one of my tier trays that I created. This was a vintage 3-tier tray. I'll also link the video down below in case you are interested. The next item is wrapping paper. As you know, Dollar Tree carries all different prints on wrapping paper. Like right here, I am using this Christmas one to cover up a Dollar Tree Christmas wall decor. You can use a wrapping paper for so many different crafts to cover up, like I said, some wall decor from Dollar Tree and just change them up as to your liking. The next item is placemats. Dollar Tree sometimes comes out with really pretty ones like this one that says blessed. And all I did with this placemat is just put it on a regular Dollar Tree frame, and that was it. And I hung it on my wall, and it was just so pretty to display. The next item is the boxed home decor. Dollar Tree usually has these box decor, whether it's for Christmas or Halloween or Easter or Valentine's. Really, they always carry these. If you don't like the picture it has, you can just sand it off as I'm doing right there and paint it and put your own decor. Like I mentioned earlier, you can also use some wrapping paper and change the whole outlook. Like these right here, I gave them a totally different look by just adding a music sheet to them and then adding some letters made out of pine stems and spelling out joy. The next item is picture frames. You can make some trays like I made this one right here. For this one, I also used a placemat, believe it or not. I inserted it into the frame and then I put some handles and I made it into a tray. And believe it or not, you can also make a candelabra for your fireplace, as I made one for mine. I do have a video for this as well. I'll go ahead and link it down below. And last but not least, you can also make lanterns like I made this one just a week or so ago. The possibilities are just endless with picture frames. The next item are hula hoops. I actually have a whole series on what I created with hula hoops, but with this one I just added some really pretty ribbon and I decorated it with some greenery, and then I added some family pictures. I'll also link this series down below in the description box. So I recently discovered that I can use spackling to flock a Christmas tree or a wreath, and all you have to do is just add some water to the spackling and make it a little bit creamy and just pinch it on your pine stems, and there you go, you have some flocking going on. Now I have to say that I think that this works a lot better than the snow in a can. Since I flocked this wreath, it's been days already. It has not shed at all. It's still intact. So this works great. So this is a great idea for this season coming up in case that you do want to flock a wreath or a Christmas tree. You might want to try this. I love how this flocked wreath turned out. The next item is the microfiber cloth. Now I've used this to use it in a picture frame and then adding a Christmas ornament and having a Christmas wall decor. So quick and easy. And you can also cut some strips and wrap it around a wreath foam and decorate it according to your liking. The cloth just gives it a really pretty base to work with. I just recently made this really pretty winter wreath using the fiber cloth. And you can also make really pretty decorative pillows. About 2 years ago, I made this really pretty fall pillow. And I also made this unicorn pillow for my granddaughter. And the number one, I have to say, is wire baskets, the small ones and the bigger ones. I think this is one of my best creations. I turned a wire basket into a lampshade. I love this so much. I use it in my guest room and it just looks really, really pretty. And I also created this watering can. I also created a K-cup storage bin and also an egg basket. I mean, the possibilities are just endless with these wire baskets. And then I just wanted to add a bonus item, and that is these kitchen dinner plates and cups. Now for the dinner plates, you can use them to decorate your home as well, just by adding some pictures as I did right here. This was a bunny that I Mod Podged onto the dinner plate, and I also did the same thing to the cup, and then I just added some paint. Mind you, this is not for you to eat on. Like I said, this is just so that you can use it as a home decor. And for Christmas just around the corner, you can add any type of Christmas picture on there and just Mod Podge it onto your plate and display it in your dinner table as just to show, and you can put some candy or mints or anything like that. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel. And you have a safe and blessed day. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless. And please don't forget to comment down below which is your favorite Dollar Tree decorating item.